What's up, everybody? This is my basement. This is what happens when it rains. This collects water. They said that every house in the neighborhood, their basement floods. I got one sump pump there. It's my furnace. Oh, this might be cool. Like you got, so this is a old water heater that I could not get up the stairs. It's heavy. Anybody know what this is? I'm guessing it's the old type of furnace. Don't think I'll ever get that out the basement. This is the water heater. I learned something about water heaters. I didn't know that you can get ones that hold, I think it's like hold more water so that you can have more hot water longer. You know how like when your hot water stops working and you have to wait a little bit for the water to get hot again? I didn't know the water heater is that reason. Anyway, just the other sump pump. It's a kind of a big basement. As you can see, it's kind of dark down here. I can't get the light bulb to work, so on this side. But anyways, little basement. I got my water boots. Hopefully that gets some of the water out.